So sabay-sabay natin.
Okay. Yeah, the key art will be shown on the screen. Ready?
In 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3, go.
Unhappy for you.
Directed by
Happy ba tayo?
It's the title of our film. Unhappy for
Parang
you.
ang saya nyo nung sinabi niyo yung title, pero yung title hindi masaya.
Yan talaga yung ano.
Di ba? Unhappy for you. Yan
May
po
slash.
ang title.
Un/happy.
Un/happy for you. Yan po ang title ng proyekto ng Star Cinema and Viva Films, starring Joshua Garcia, Julia Barreto, directed by Peterson Vargas. So let's start talking about this project. Siguro, the title, doon tayo magsimula. Bakit unhappy for you?
Sige, ako na. Nakatigay lahat sa akin. Siguro sometimes,
Galit ka ba, Kukay? Bakit unhappy for you?
Sorry.
Parang may ano
Na-try ko maging happy today. Ano lang, siguro it's just something na, di ba minsan sinasabi natin sa isang tao na I'm happy for you, pero sa totoong buhay, kung hindi tayo magpapaka-mature at kung magpapakatotoo tayo, sometimes, unhappy din naman tayo sa mga taong nanakit sa atin, I guess. Or sa mga taong may mga atraso sa atin. Yun, I think doon nanggagaling yung title na Unhappy for You.
So parang galit siya.
Oo, pero sometimes kasi pwede rin, kaya naka-slash yung un. Kasi pwede rin naman, baka pwedeng happy ka doon sa tao na yan. Baka may gusto kayong i-add.
Meron na ba kayong masishare? Jen, Tal, what can you share? Parang siguro gist or a nutshell kung ano tong unhappy for you.
Well, it's a story of two people na exes.
Okay.
Exes sila. So, nagkasakitan, may isang nanakit, may isang nasaktan. So, it's very real. So, very intense and magsasakitan talaga dito sa
So, merong nasaktan, may sinaktan, pero nagtuturuan sila sino bang may kasalanan. Jan, you wanna add some more?
Kasi kahit may history kayo, mag-ex kayo, yung pain continues. So, this is what it's about. Yung pain, yung complicated issues that happen if you really loved each other back then. So, maraming makaka-relate dito kasi lahat naman tayo nasaktan, lahat tayo may experience with that. But this is also not your typical exes movie.
Yeah.
So, magbabayad kami ng sinihan para masaktan.
Gusto natin yun, di ba?
Yeah! Masok-isa tayo di ba? No, we love, minsan kasi when you relive the pain, di ba, parang it makes you stronger, you learn from it, di ba? Parang ganun yung feeling. I love breakup movies. Kasi yun yung maganda. Julia and Joshua, nung narinig nyo na ganito yung konsepto ng pelikula, anong unang naging violent reaction ba? O ano ba to? Ba't ganito?
Sabi, easy. Ako lang. Uy. Kaya masaya ako sa story. I mean, kahit ano ba. And, yun na. Kumbaga hindi na rin kami mahihirapan.
Why?
Why?
Anong tinatry mo sabihin? Akala ko ba pelikula lang ito?
Sinasabi ko na yung film line yan, burado na eh.
I mean, ako hindi naman sila lang. May
joke lang.
may mga nasaktan din naman ako. I mean, pretty sure ikaw din nasaktan ka rin sa buhay. And tayo bilang actors, feeling ko hindi tayo mahirapan kung paano yung mga characters natin.
Alam mo, malayong lalakbayin ng ng pelikulang to. Julia?
Mukha nga.
Ay, no. Julia?
Ano nga ulit, na-distract ako sa parang
Nung narinig mo ganito yung kwento.
Sorry,
Nung narinig mo ganito yung kwento.
Well, wow, looks familiar.
Oh, see?
Inspired by. It's nice. I mean, I didn't expect it to be super far from, probably what we had all experienced in our lives.
Right.
Not just him and I, syempre. But it's a very general thing that everybody goes through. And I super agree, there's some things that still lingers. So, parang, it'll be a painful and hopefully a healing movie.
Okay.
For a lot of people.
So it's a romance drama?
I guess to add to that, it's more mature this
Okay.
time around. It's a romance that could be sexy, that could be intense. So as much as the pain is intense, the sexiness could be as intense.
Right.
Siguro to add to what P is
Yes.
saying, kasi di ba minsan, when a relationship ends, grabe yung pain, grabe yung intensity, it could reach to anger talaga. At nangyayari yun, nagiging intense yun because the love is also intense.
Okay.
So yun yung ride na
Yes.
hinuhope namin, ginugol talaga namin na maabot dito sa film. Masasaktan ka kasi grabe kang nagmamahal. Yung
Huwag ba kaniyaw?
What can we expect, Joshua, Julia, in the context of iba na kayo ngayon? Your lives are different. You've grown. What can we expect from your chemistry?
Sige, I don't know. Kinakabahan ako.
Kumari rin.
Parang
Kasi
honestly,
na-imagine
I'm
ko
just
na,
playing it cool, but
iba kasi yung
really
inilan
Okay,
yung...
to be completely honest, kanina kasi, ginawa kami scene.
Okay.
Yung scene na kami ginawa kanina.
Yeah.
Kinakapa pa namin ulit yung isa't isa. Kahit
Okay.
na ang tagal namin nagkatrabaho before. So,
Okay.
I think baby steps. At dadating
Yeah,
kami doon.
slowly.
Pagdating ng shoot day na namin.
Para siyang familiar and new place at the same time. Parang, this feels familiar, pero parang bago din because parang we're re-getting to know each
Saka kasi
other.
kanina nakita ko nung nag-scene kami, parang iba na rin yung atake niya ngayon sa atake niya before. Sabi ko,
I was about to say, iba na yung titig. Iba na yung titig ng mata.
oo.
Diba? Iba na yung...
Malagkit na yung ngayon.
Ewan sa'yo.
Yeah, that's what we're going to be having for 3 months.
Pero alam nyo na your Joshua fans would be so excited, jumping for joy, that this project is happening.
Yes! Lalo na kapag napanood nila.
Yeah, I'm jumping for joy. I'm also very excited.
When are you starting your filming or shooting the movie? Kailan to?
Right now, actually, we're in the middle of the pre-production. We've been doing test scenes, and very, very soon we'll start rolling.
Right.
Yeah.
And when will we see this? Kailan ito ipapalabas?
This year.
Agad-agad.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Before the year ends.
Yes.
Ito na yan. Oh my
Ito na
gosh.
yan.
Yeah.
Okay, ganun lang ka-excited ang ating discussion because we'll save more pagdating ng